Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making pulled chicken tacos. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you would need chicken breast, corn tortillas, quesadilla cheese, cilantro, red onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, olive oil, diced jalapeno peppers, diced tomatoes, chicken broth, Creole seasoning, Adobo seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, Cayenne pepper, parsley, salt, smoked paprika, and red pepper flakes. Begin by slicing 1/2 of red onion. Dice the other half of red onion. Next, chop up green and red bell peppers. Add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the bell peppers and sliced onions. Season to taste with Creole seasoning, Adobo seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, crushed red pepper, and parsley. Mix well. Next, chop up some cilantro. Now it's time to start on the chicken. Slice 2 chicken breasts in half. Season chicken to taste with Creole seasoning, Adobo seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, salt, red pepper flakes, and parsley. Add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix well. In a hot skillet, add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Sear chicken on both sides for 5 minutes or until done. In the same skillet, saute veggies for about 5 minutes. While the veggies are cooking, shred the chicken. Next, add 14 ounces of diced tomatoes to the skillet with the veggies. Add 2 teaspoons of diced jalapeños, mix well, and allow to simmer for 5 minutes. Add shredded chicken and mix well. Next, add 1 cup of chicken broth and mix well. Season to taste with Creole Seasoning, Adobo seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Mix well. Now it's time to make the tacos. In a hot skillet, add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Coat tortilla with sauce. Add the tortilla to the hot skillet. Once the tortilla begins to rise, add cheese, chicken, diced onions, and cilantro. Fold over one side of the tortilla and remove from the skillet. And there you have it, pulled chicken tacos. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them in Memphis be cooking.